What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Julian, and I'm back. Welcome. If you haven't liked or subscribed to the channel, if you could, please do so today. I appreciate you guys. We just passed a little over 1,100 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000,000, and I appreciate you guys. But it feels like I have 1,000,000, though. You know what I'm saying? Because you guys are just the best subscribers, and I appreciate you guys. You keep me inspired to keep me going. But today, I just wanted to revisit the topic of my car, man. I have a viral video in my shorts video, and for some reason it's been getting some traction again, and I had a lot of comments left on the video, and people were just saying things that I should do to the car, and you guys haven't seen the car for a while, so there are a lot of things that you haven't seen that I've done to the car since you guys last saw it. But a lot of suggestions were to get the mirrors done like this. These are the M style mirrors. I put those on myself. Everything that's on this car that didn't come stock, I put it on there myself. So like the grill, I'll get to that in a second, but the grill and the front lip and the spoiler and the diffuser, all of those things I've done it myself. Only thing I didn't do is the wheels. Those got powder coated, and the tint got done professionally. The tint is 5%. But I'm about to get a paint correction here in a couple weeks. So I'm going to take the spoiler off, and I'm going to reinstall it myself. But yeah, I put a diffuser on the back. That's from Maxton. Maxton makes a really good diffuser for the 330s. It looks really fucking good. I love this thing. You don't have to replace the bumper. All you got to do is just screw the diffuser right on top of on the bumper. So it's on there. It looks really good. Spoilers on there. Spoiler could be refitted, but that's cool for right now. I like it. I'm gonna have to probably get some new tires here soon, but yeah, that's another shot right there. So I also did what you guys didn't see. Let me show you in the front. So I put the grill on. I think you guys saw that, and then I put the front lip on here. I like it. I like the lip on here, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get a whole new M style bumper on the front. But I like it for now. It's chilling. It's not too crazy. I like it, but I think just overall, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just go get the M style bumper. And not only that, but last year I was putting this car on Turo for a little bit, for a couple months. It was doing numbers. I was charging like $110 a day. But then I had some mechanical issues with the car, and I just took it off. I could put it back up there, but I think I'm gonna just keep this car for myself. And I've been working on just getting some cars specifically for Turo. But and I had a really good question. Somebody asked me, were you disappointed with having a 330 after having a 335i? And not really. Like, honestly, the 335i was really fast. I loved it. Red interior, that was my baby. But this car, after having it for a while, it's just as good. I mean, obviously it's not as fast, as it have as many cylinders or horsepower, but this car is really good daily driver. I got it because it's all-wheel drive and it looks good. I'm in Pittsburgh. I need an all-wheel drive car. I want it to look good, something that's a daily driver, that's like, you know, doesn't have to be like an M3 or nothing like that. That'll be like a second car I'll get one day, and I'll keep this as well. But the main goal with this car is just a really nice looking all-wheel drive daily car, and that's exactly what it does. My business is literally 10 minutes away from my house, so I don't really drive far distances. Now, I did just drive it to Cleveland last week to go to a concert, but that was a nice drive, nice, smooth, no problems. But yeah, here's the car. My favorite part of the car is the diffuser. This diffuser, man, it looks so sweet. It makes it stand out from all the other 330s. Now, I'm not one of those people who like to debadge my car. I'm not going to sit here and debadge my car and try to get it to pass off as an F or something. Like, that's crazy to me. I'm not ashamed of my 330. I'll get an M3 or I had it. The 335, that was the 340 before the 340 was a 340, and they slap the M badge on it. But I already had one of those. So all the 340 warriors in the comments and all that stuff, bro, I've been there, done that, had it. This is my second BMW. So I'm a family man now. I don't necessarily need 500, 600 horsepower car every day. So this is my everyday car. I love it. And the trash can just fell. That's crazy. But yeah, here we are, and yeah, just a little update. Tell me what you guys think. Should I get like a tune on it? Should I get engine stuff done to it? Should I get the muffler done? What should I do next to the car? I really haven't been paying it that much attention because the last 6 months I've just been grinding, focusing on my business, my health, and my family. So now it's getting warm again. You know, my attention, has been brought back to the car. Like I said, I say it all the time. This car was an ode to my 335i. It was a 2014 BMW 335i, red interior. It was exactly like this one, black on black, everything. It just had the red interior. It was a f30 generation BMW, 6 cylinders. Amazing. I loved it. But here we are. I've had this car for going on 2 years. I've had some slight mechanical issues, but that's because of the previous owners were shitty owners. So everything that's been wrong with the car, I've been making it right, including the paint correction, which is coming in 2 weeks, and I'll make another video about that. But otherwise, man, this is the update. I know I've been focusing a lot on the business and cutting hair and all that stuff, but here's something about the car, because I know you guys were enjoying the shorts video about my car, so here we go. And it's so funny because somebody actually really left a comment and said I'm goofy for covering up my license plate. So I don't know what that's about, but I can do what I want to do. It's my channel, it's my car. So guess what? Just to appease this person, I'm not gonna cover up the license plate, and we're gonna see if they got something to say still. Okay? But anyway, you guys stay tuned for more videos. Let me know what you guys think about this car. Should I just scrap it? Should I just get a whole new car? Or should I just keep adding to it? My goal is to try to keep it as long as I can. But yeah, that's enough for today. I'm about to hit the gym, get my daughter. All right, you guys, I'll check you.